Hi everyone, it's Cara, your favorite PescaVeniVegan. Today for our Meatless Monday recipe, it's going to be our slow cooker buffalo chicken dip recipe from the All Recipe Dinner Spinner app. Woo! In the slow cooker on low. It's only going to take an hour because I didn't have to cook chicken first because, you know, Meatless Monday. So guess what we used instead? When you think chicken, think chickpeas. So I mashed them up. Doesn't it look like chicken? It's so not. It's chickpeas. All right, so we drained those and mashed them up, just one can. And then we used these other ingredients here. So we used 2 8-ounce skinless, boneless chicken breasts. Nope, but we used a can of drained, rinsed, and mashed chickpeas. We used half a teaspoon salt, a fourth of a teaspoon ground black pepper, a fourth of a teaspoon garlic powder, and then we used a 1 8-ounce package of Daiya vegan cream cheese. And then it said to use 1 8-ounce container sour cream. We'll use some of that sour cream. It's forager. It's made of cashews. And then we used not a half a cup of buffalo wing sauce because I don't have buffalo wing sauce. I have hot sauce. So this hot sauce is very spicy, so I used half of that. So I only used a fourth of a cup. And then half of a cup shredded cheddar cheese is our Daiya cheddar style shreds. And now it's all in the slow cooker. And we're going to mix it together. And it's going to be in here for an hour on low. And then I'll show you the finished product. All right, everyone. This is the finished product of our slow cooker buffalo chickpea dip. It is done. It is all melted. It took about an hour on low. Nummy, nummy, and it's really good. And I remember I used hot sauce instead of buffalo sauce, so I only used half. I only used a fourth of a cup, and it's spicy, so it's a good thing I only used half. All right, it is done and ready to eat, and I hope you guys give it a try.